Let's dive into the world of online earnings and uncover how much you actually can make from Retell Lecture tasks. First, what exactly is a Retell Lecture? It's essentially summarizing a brief lecture. Typically audio-based, think of it as listening carefully, understanding the main points, and then re-explaining them in your own words. In a written format, these tasks are often found on platforms that offer microtasks. The earning potential fluctuates, so it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a good way to make some extra income. The earnings depend on several factors: the platform you use, the complexity of the lecture, and importantly, your performance. Some platforms may offer tasks that pay per task, while others may offer permanent rates. Generally, you can expect to earn anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per task. Higher-paying tasks might involve more in-depth summaries or require exceptional English skills. Your availability plays a crucial role. The more time you dedicate to Retell Lecture tasks, the more you can potentially earn. Consistent effort leads to improved efficiency, enabling you to complete more tasks in less time. Remember that earnings also depend on task availability, so it's not necessarily going to be a constant income stream. To maximize your earnings, aim for tasks on reputable platforms with good payment rates. Continuously improve your listening and writing skills, which reduces the time spent on each task, and set realistic earning goals. By understanding the dynamics of the Retell Lecture tasks, you'll be well equipped to navigate the online earning landscape and make the most of that opportunity.